So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. We're gonna scroll down till we find Windows Update. Here it is. You're gonna double click on this. You're gonna make the startup type manual and then click on stop, which is now gonna make the server status stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're gonna head over to search and type in Thread Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're gonna scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's gonna have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that. Now you want to find a folder called System32. So we're gonna scroll down till we find System32. Here it is. Double click on this. And now we're gonna find a folder called catroot2. We're gonna scroll down. Here it is, catroot2. You're gonna double click on this. And then once you're on this, we're gonna delete everything in this folder. So you're gonna do Control A and then click on delete. And now you're gonna tick do this for current items and then click on continue. This should now delete most folders in this list. If any folders remain, then you're gonna select do this for current items and then click on skip. And now for the last step, you just wanna restart your computer again. Come back into Windows and then check for updates again, and then the problem should be fixed.